to show you a quick and easy way to make 9 patches using strips. We've all done that before, but maybe you haven't tried one that really just sews one set of strips together and lets you cut light and dark parts of your 9 patches. So I'm starting with 2 fat quarters, or parts of fat quarters, but this is my 22-inch length of the fat quarter. I have a light and a dark. Okay. From these, I'm going to cut 2 light strips and 2 dark strips, so you can layer these together if you want, and just cut. In this case, I'm cutting 1.5-inch wide strips, because I'm going to have 3-inch finished 9 patches. So let's pretend that I've cut these strips. I've cut 2 light strips and 2 dark strips. Now I'm going to take a light and a dark, cut them in half, and just use 1/2 of each one. So I'm going to do it this way. Lay them out this way. So the first thing you do, so I have 1 light, 1 dark, 1/2 dark, 1/2 light. I'm going to sew this strip set together first. Press it. I press seams open. Then I'm going to add this strip to this end. So I've got my dark, light, dark. Okay, press the seam open. I'm going to add the light strip to this end. Light, dark, light. So when I have this all sewn together, it looks like this. Okay, the dark end and the light end. And from this, I'm going to go back and cut my 1.5-inch segments. And you'll be able to get enough for 3 3-inch 9 patches from this unit that you've got here. So I'm just going to straighten up this first cut. And now I'm going to cut 1.5-inch segments. Cut 6 of them. So I have 6, because I'm going to have dark corners on this 9 patch. That means I now turn it around, and to get the middle segments of the 9 patch that are light, dark, light, I'm going to trim off an end here just to get me straight. I'm going to do 3 of these at 1.5 inches wide, just like before. 1. 2. Just have a rough part on my blade. 2. 3. That's all I need. So this is what I have left over, and I can certainly use these in other 9 patches. And now let's arrange them. There's 1 9 patch. 2 9 patches. 3 9 patches, and when they're all sewn, they'll look just like this. So now it's a 3.5-inch unit. When it's finished, it'll finish at 3 inches. And save all your extra little parts, because they're great for making scrappy 9 patches.